welcome to our life in the Philippines. Final day of the rice distribution, and I'm back here at Mabalacat High School, and gonna follow them today. This day should complete the 25 kilo bags to every single household within inside this barangay. They gotten out about 2,500 or so sacks of rice by the time this is over today. And funny enough, we are one of the last streets to get it, because they're coming down on the left side of the main entrance road, and then they're coming up the other way on the right hand side and coming up and hitting us towards the end of the day. So we're going to follow them today a little bit and just give you an update. Don't forget our Sunday morning 8 a.m. live Manila time, and Saturday night Eastern Standard Time at 8 p.m. And we will be with you then, and we can chat about what's going on here, what's going on with you, what's going on around the world. So come in and join us for that. If you want to get on with me live, just let us know. We'll send you a link, and we can have a live chat together. Makes the feed a little more interesting too if we have guests on camera and that kind of stuff. So come in with us, and let's go and check these guys out. Man, it's hot.
What's your name for your vlogging? Yeah, Our Life in the Philippines, YouTube.
Yeah.
Okay.
Yep. So
What's your name, sir?
my name is Shell.
Huh?
Shell.
Shell.
Yeah, like seashell.
Yeah,
like seashell with no sea.
Yeah, my name is Michelle.
Michelle.
Yeah.
Okay.
Yeah.
All right.
Michelle.
So it's kind of similar, right?
Yeah, similar.
Kind of similar name. Yeah, I'm gonna go around. So it's getting empty in here now.
No. Oh, it's almost 1,000.
How much did you get out yesterday?
Yesterday, sir, 800.
860.
860.
Oh, 860.
Till now, you get the truck for 100.
Right.
And
So you think you finished today?
yeah, it's a finish today here in Barangay.
Yeah.
About this one to another barangay, 254 only.
Oh, so this truck is going to a different
Yes,
barangay?
yes.
Oh, okay. All right. So, oh yeah, it starts looking empty now.
Video.
Yep.
Yes, sir. No, sir.
All right, it starts looking empty. Oops. He needs another battery for that one. Yeah. Yeah, so it's starting looking empty. Still quite a few sacks, but I would say it looks to me like more than half has gone out, and there was 2,500 bags in here. All right, so these guys are all volunteers too, residents of the different barangays. Sounds like you need a jump start. Here it's a little bit more. It's almost three.
Yeah. Maybe around 300.
Yeah, it's 300 bags left roughly. Me and Paco did the count. So, all right, where did Paco go? Let's move up to, and let's go. Follow the truck. All right, so they just loaded up the truck again, and we are going to follow these guys.
Hello guys.
Welcome.
I'm back.
She's been hibernating in the bedroom for what? 2 weeks, 5 weeks, 6 weeks, 8 weeks, 9 weeks,
1 month.
2 months. But anyway, we're taking a little walk today, and
Oh, nice bike.
yeah,
Wow. That's a nice bike.
nice bike. Yeah. All right, so we're gonna follow the truck here. They're actually coming in towards the end of the second day today, and now we're gonna follow them through the rest of the area here. Complete a face and an effort by Mayor of Mabalacat City. What's the mayor's name? Do you remember, huh?
Chris Garbo.
Chris Garbo.
Crisostomo Garbo.
And
What they call it, Chris? Mayor Chris.
Mayor Chris. Yeah, and they've done a pretty good job, I think. So let's. I guess we have the truck right here, so we're gonna follow down here and see what's going on. They stay. So they don't drive the truck. Yeah, they do it a little different. They do it a little different. Hello. How are you? You're good. Finally, a little bit of rice, huh? Yeah, it's good. That's the guy that welds my. You remember when the thing break on my? He's the one that welded my bike. Yeah. So we're gonna go down the street. Familiar names, familiar faces. We've been here 2 or 3 times with rice before, and some milk as well. Hello. Hello. How are you guys? Yeah. It's been a while. Yeah. Today we're doing a little vlog. We'll follow the city today. So we haven't done a whole lot of rice lately. We have done a little more milk for babies. Yeah, because that's hard too. You know, you have babies, and many mothers don't have milk, and big problem. All right, yeah, we'll be back. Hello, hello. It's our barangay chairman here.
Huh? Oh.
They give here?
Yeah, they already validated. So give it the rice.
They give the rice all the way here?
They already validated.
Okay, how about the jungle?
They finished already there.
They finished already there? Okay. Hello. How are you?
Oh, very pineapple juice.
Yeah, very fine apple juice. Yeah. All right, so they've been doing. So the jungle down that way. You have like a jungle squatter area, whatever you want to call it, in San Paquita Street. They're having fun down there. So we are going to follow these guys today. Where's Paco?
No, Sir Papa is not here.
He was just here. I thought I saw him.
No, Sir Papa is still on ano.
Oh, still over there? I thought I saw him walking here. Maybe not.
She said someone who said that the rice is not from Mayor Garbo.
No.
No, somebody comment.
Oh, they comment today? Today? I didn't see that comment. No. No. Because I was very clear yesterday. I said this is by Mabalacat City and the mayor of Mabalacat City. I was very clear on that in my video.
Kasi siguro naninira lang yun eh. Kasi naalala ko pa naman, sabi ko, ay sumusunod pa naman nun.
I didn't see that comment. But you're gonna always have people that complain.
Yeah.
Always. You cannot get away from it. And if I see on my channel a bad comment, I delete it.
Okay.
So
Yung channel namin nasa t-shirt niya.
yeah. So take a look at it.
Naninira lang.
Oh, it's a different blogger.
Yeah. He comment that this rice is not from Mayor Garbo.
Yeah, well, he's wrong. There was apparently there's been some comments from somebody.
Yeah.
I don't think on our channel.
His name is Santos. I don't know,
Santos or somebody. Yeah, that. But it wasn't on our channel, right?
No, it's on a different
I don't think so.
YouTuber.
So that this was not rice from the Mabalacat City and the effort of the mayor and Mabalacat City office. That is absolutely wrong.
Yeah.
This is 100% effort from the mayor's office.
Yes.
And we have given out rice, but this is before to help some people here, the worst affected people. But that has nothing to do with what's going on in my video yesterday and what's going on in the video today.
There's another vlogger too.
Yeah, this is another.
It's over there.
Where is he? There he is. So this has absolutely nothing to do with that. Everything that is dropped off today comes from Mabalacat City and our mayor. What was the name again? You know.
Chris Garbo.
Garbo. And they are doing a fantastic job.
So we have another vlogger here. What's
Yeah.
your YouTube channel, sir?
Our life in the Philippines.
Oh, yeah. Yeah,
Hello.
just like I just watched your videos a while back.
Right.
Yeah.
Okay.
Did you join some of the YouTubers, vloggers community before, way back then?
No, I'm independent. I haven't joined
independent.
I haven't
Okay.
joined anybody.
Okay, yeah, sure.
So
So your YouTube channel is
Our Life in the Philippines.
So
Yeah.
hello
Hello.
Kakabsat. So we have another vlogger here in our place named Our Life in the Philippines. So you can subscribe,
Yeah.
like, comment, and share, and do not forget to click the notification bell for more updates.
right.
So
And who are you? What's
Yeah.
your channel?
Kakabsat TV. Kakabsat TV.
Yeah, I think I have seen it.
Yeah, I think so.
Okay.
So how was it? I mean, how's your experience doing this in this community?
It has been it's been great. At first I think they were a little slow getting things out.
Yeah.
But the logistics around this whole thing is also very, very difficult.
Yeah.
And I think now the release of the money came and they're getting it out as fast as they can. I think they're doing, for us it's been great. We have also done, I don't know if you have followed our videos, we have done some milk distribution for children.
Yeah, actually, I just saw you way back then, that place.
Yeah.
And then someone caught my attention, and
Right.
they said, "Oh, there's a vlogger out there."
Right.
So really?
Yeah.
And then I was thinking that maybe someday, somehow, maybe I can interview him just in
Yeah,
case
sure.
if I'm giving a chance. So I saw you again, so
Yeah.
it's my opportunity also, right? Because all the vloggers, they are a family, right?
Yeah.
Yeah, because they have one vision and mission, something like
Right.
that.
Yeah,
So
sure.
what you want to tell in our community, especially those people who are receiving relief goods through our government, something like that?
Yeah, there's been a lot of complaints, but I think we all feel the crunch, the crisis, everything. And I think everybody scrambles to get things together. And it's not easy to feed, in this case, what have we got, 100,000 people here
Yeah,
or more, just in Mabalacat alone. Just imagine the logistics behind getting that out. And I think, as far as I can see, I think they have done a pretty good job.
Yes, especially the government officials, right?
Right.
Though there's some people who are giving like a bad feedback, but still, they're doing their best. There's such no perfect government.
No.
We know that, right?
Yeah.
So they're just doing their best.
And why is there no perfect government? Because there is no perfect people at all. And
That is
that
correct.
includes me and
Yeah,
everybody.
that is correct.
We learn as we
Simple
go.
instruction, they don't know how to follow, right? So again, you can invite our viewers. Yeah.
Right? Yeah. Invite to where?
Yeah. Invite them to subscribe to your YouTube
Yeah,
channel.
oh, yeah.
What is your content?
Go
something
ahead.
Like that. Yeah.
Here is the Our Life in the Philippines. I don't know if you can see it there, but it's Our Life in the Philippines. You're
Okay.
welcome to subscribe and subscribe to his channel too, and you tell us what.
Yeah. Hello to all us members of the Our Life in the Philippines. By the way, my name is Seth, and my YouTube channel is Kakabsat TV. So you can subscribe also to my YouTube channel.
Yeah, I'll put a link in
Sure.
in the description.
I'm gonna search you and then I'm gonna subscribe so that I can send you a message. All right.
All
So
right.
thank you so much, guys. And
All right,
keep
thank
safe
you.
and
Nice
take care of us.
talking to you.
Yeah. Thank you.
All right,
Bye-bye.
God bless. All right,
So
so
that's another vlogger collaboration.
blogger collaboration. Yeah, that'd be nice. Yeah, go ahead and subscribe to him.
Yeah. We put the link below.
We put the link below. Hello, everybody. All right. The chairs are out, and that's how they do it. You put your share, your ID, and a copy of your ID and barangay pass, and that qualifies you to receive a sack of rice. Busy, huh?
Yeah.
Mr. Paco is busy.
Pasok na to. Sige, pasok. Sige, pasok na yan. Sige, pasok na. Pati upuan.
Pick it up.
Lahat na yan, pasok na. Pati upuan, pasok. Social distance.
No. That's the hard part here.
What happened to the other
Yan,
chair?
nandyan oh. Buhatin na yan, nandyan.
What happened to what?
To the chairs over there.
What chair? They're coming down this way.
Yeah.
They're coming down this way.
I saw two chairs. No sack of rice. What happened?
Where? No, they had rice on all of them. So
Oh.
they already picked them out.
I see. Oh, one of the area over here. She's asking if when did we gonna distribute milk again?
Yeah, tomorrow be some.
Oo.
I can't-
oo, sa Flordelis yun, oh.
Yeah,
I saw, yeah, I remember her.
she's from Florida.
Yeah, she's from Flordelis.
Yeah, we're gonna help get the milk out, but we can't get it out today, and there's a reason for that, and the reason is that the people we need to help us with the milk are actually doing this today.
Yeah.
So I can't do it. Tomorrow we're gonna try to get it out.
Need to buy milk.
Yeah, tomorrow morning. We can't do it today because the
Yeah,
crew is busy, Mark is busy, Paco is busy, all my helpers are busy.
Or we need to let this distribution finish before we distribute.
Yeah, because we don't have the personnel, we don't have the help we need. When they got up on Everlasting Street, I have a lot of water prepared, so we got water for them. Once they get to Everlasting, we'll give them some water. My wife says social distancing, social distancing. Okay, 1 meter. Husband and wife sleep in the same bed, but they have to be social distancing when they're outside. Yeah. Yep. All right. Sir Paco is busy directing this whole thing. People have today had a little problem keeping the social distancing. A lot of people don't follow the rules, and masks were missing in action today, and a few other things like that. Yeah.
But they are getting closer and closer to be done. Probably about 4 p.m. They got 4 more cross streets to do, maybe 5, and they're going to be busy here for a little bit. So we are going to wrap this up, and we hope you enjoyed the video. Gives a little clarification in what has been going on, what's going out, and again, this has been an effort from the city mayor and the Mabalacat city personnel and officials. Tsismis, Gosip said it was not, but that is verified 100%. Anything else is fake news. So as this continues, we are saying bye-bye, and we hope you enjoy it. Enjoy this little short time-lapse with some music. God bless, and we see you soon again. Wait, don't click that button unless, of course, you hit the subscribe button. And then you can move on. And while you're down there, hit the notification button as well. And if you leave a like or a comment, we will personally respond to you on all or any request you might have. And thank you for watching, and we'll see you again at the next video.